Hello, you trader nerds. Good to have you all in. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I am Sweet Bobby, and real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. So we are glad to have you with us today. Let's see what this market is doing. The market is, let me hide my stuff here. The market is, I hadn't even looked at, wow, we got us a down day, 0.076 down. 0.76 down, above average volume. And the VIX is at 14, almost 15 now. How about that? So AD kind of sporadic. We don't even know what the number is. It's so sporadic. If that ever jumps around, just change your time frame and come back, and it should stop it from jumping. I'm supposed to log out and log in every day, but I don't do that. I just like keeping it running. And that's when you go to the help button and you go collect garbage because, you want to speed it up. Now, that should stop everything. So this is very, very interesting. Where's the opening range at? I don't see anything. It must be way back here. Let's see. There it is. So we are just headed downward. Above average volume. And let's see what the number one, we didn't look at our daily moving average. Still above the 200. We're still bullish. Let's look at the weekly 10 versus 20 exponential moving average. The 10 is above the 20, and we are above both of those, so we're still bullish there. And the monthly 10 moving average, we're above the 10-month moving average. So everything looks good. Let's look at our big green monster. Big green monster is there, and oh no. So we have gone from being oversold to overbought for the fair value zone below. So this, we'll see how it stays here, but this is kind of a bearish look then, right? If we stay in here for very long, then we would assume if we have some consolidation along here, we may go lower. We were still looking to go back up to the 45.64. So this is, no, this is not as good. Let's see what the linear regression looks like. Linear regression looks like this. We have lost the 50 daily moving average. Here's the 100 moving average right there. So we shall see. Nothing out of the ordinary though. Nothing out of the ordinary. You see that this is a bullish tent, even going back to August 17th. We're still slightly bullish, right? Slightly bullish. And okay, let's look at our portfolio here. We've got a 97% probability profit. That looks good. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we normally trade the IRAs. So let's go see how our IRAs are doing today. Someone asked yesterday, can you do this in an IRA? Absolutely, you can. So this is the IRA. So let's go see how we're doing here on our Netlickless. We are at 89,794. 89,794. Let's put that in. 89,794. Down a little bit. 89,794. That's Rico and the band are a little upset. So that's 9/19/23. My water bill's due tomorrow. Gotta make sure I pay that. So we're down $674 from where we were on the 14th. No big deal. Let's look at our Greeks and ratios. Greeks and ratios are, when I get back to this, Greeks and ratios. Here we go. 157,104, 158,104. Let's put that in. 158,104. 104 is my theta. Is that right? Jeez. How'd that pop up so big? I mean, I know the market's down some, but my goodness. And the VIX is 14. So, yeah, everything looks fine there. Let's see if they went up on our buying power over here as well. Good God, 44,000. Wow, 44.6. I'd say. Wow. Y'all. Are y'all seeing what is this the Charles Schwab that we know and hate? Wow. I mean, that is amazing that we went from 27% buying power. Is that right? Yeah, it is. And to 44,000. Wow. Is anybody else noticing that? Is that a Schwab thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, Tasty wasn't like that.
Geez, y'all. Geez, I mean, that is incredible. Look at that. I mean, just from the 14th to today, look, I mean, we've pretty much about doubled that. I'm not liking that at all, y'all. Not liking that. We may have to pull and go back over to Tasty. They're going to play this game with us. I just don't like that buying power. I mean, I don't know. And, it looked like I got another margin call. Let's see if I got a margin call over here. Let's show everything. No, we're good. Option buying power is good. That's good. Yeah, but they sent me another little message. Hey, you got but everything looks fine. We got plenty of option buying power. Well, I say plenty. We should have a lot more than that, but okay. Well, y'all, there's nothing to do in this account. I mean, I'm just, ticked off and surprised about the buying power. And none of my positions are saying that I need to close them. So let's see what our percentages are on we got anything that's close to 70 or 80% here. Here's my naked puts. Yeah, I could take something off. These are at 78% profit. I might take those 4 off. Let's see if we can take those 4 off. So 4,000s with 31 days to go, create closing order just to give me a little bit of relief and go ahead and book some profits. Let's see if we can get out of those. Let's see. It got me out 485. Okay, let's say that. That was the 4,000s at 485. Let's see, with 31 days, 4,000. Or was it 4,100? That's amazing. I can't even find the right strikes. Let's see. We got out of the 4,000s. I don't have it in my spreadsheet. Spreadsheet's only as good, y'all, as the information you put in it. 4,000. I don't see any 4,000s to y'all. Oh, well. Okay. Well, nothing to put in. If I can't find it, I'm not going to go ahead and recreate it.
Looks like it dropped your buying power by about 8,000.
Yeah, let's see. Let's look at that. Yeah, look at that. We went from, what was it, 44 then to 36,000? So that's good. Let's see what it did to our theta. 147 to 95. Let's go put that in. 147.95. Dropped my delta a little bit. Got this down to 95. Yeah, dropped it a little bit. That's fine. And like I said, we went down to 36,000 here. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Good. I like that. Such a great move. So everybody see why I did that, right? I'm a little heavy here on my theta percentage. On this one, I try to keep 0.1. So it got a little heavy. So I just took a little something off. And it gave me a little bit of relief as well. Good. Let's look at the Roth IRA. And let's go over here to these trays. And I've got them all. Nothing says I need to close over here either. So let's see how bad we're down over here. 9, 19, 23. God only knows what this one's going to be. Let's see. 2030. We are at 28,441. 28,441. Down a couple $100. Okay, down $266. And our Greeks and ratios over here. Let's see how this explodes. We are at 64.43. 64.43. 64.43. Wow, that even popped up, didn't it? VIX is at 14, almost 15. So buying power, let's see how they did this. 18,840. This is amazing, y'all. I am not happy about this. 18,840. Don't like them doing this. So we have buying power explosion, ladies and gentlemen. Buying power explosion. Let's see what kind of relief we could get over here. So go look at our nakeds. See if anything is worth plucking out here. Naked puts. Yeah, here we go. We've got 4,100s. Oh, let me grab here. There we go. We got the 4,000s. Again, probably I don't have these listed. 4,000s with 31 days to go at 78% profit. Let's close those. Give us a little bit of relief. Go to 480, the mids there. And that should fill 480. So let's get out of that and go put them in. See if we put these in. 4,000. Yeah, I got those there. Look there. 4,000. And what we got out of those? 485. See if we got some Applebee's money, baby. 1923. I just ate some chicken Alfredo that Beth made last night. It was really good. I'm not really a chicken Alfredo fan. We made $145.62. Applebee's, here we come. Okay. So we got some Applebee's money. Let's see what kind of relief we got there. So now our buying power is at, wow, Charles Schwab. But welcome to Schwab, 17,100. So what did that give us? Okay, a little bit, right? 17,100. And our delta, might as well update our delta and our theta too. So we're at 6039. 6039. Drop that to 60 and theta to 39. That's more like it. I just hate that we're at 60% buying power though. This is what you call buying power explosion, y'all. And it's fine though. I don't see it being a problem. I think I'm going to look toward my theta. I'm just going to say, look, this is Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab is, charging me more buying power. We'll see if we're going to continue to stay with them. I don't like it. Don't like it at all. Let's see if I got a margin call over in this account. Nope, I got 3,000 there. Yeah, here's the one. I guess they're saying I got options buying power. Look at this, is negative. So I guess with that being the case, yeah, this account has no available buying power. This is one that I'll need to close another one. So let's do that. So now you know how to work it. If you get a margin call, you know what to do. It's not a big deal, but I shouldn't be getting a margin call. That's the problem. So let's see, we've got here 76% profit on these 40 50s. Let's close that so I can make these people happy.
Bobby, I'm really curious why you have a margin. The margin call. Could you go, once you finish with this? Could you go over your positions and stuff so we can take a look and see?
Sure.
Like
Sure, absolutely. So let's get out of this one. I got out of the 40 50s for 575. Let's go put that in. 40 50s for 575. Trades 40 50 for 575. More Applebee's money, y'all. And let's see, exit this 1923. So how much do we make on those? We made $181 on that one. That's really good. 181 and 145. That's good. That's really good. I like that. Now let's see if we got a margin call. In fact, that should have got us back into good order. Let's see here. I'll turn that on. Where's my thing? Hold on. I forget how to turn my thing back on. Here's activities and positions, options. Here we go. Privacy, turn that off. Now we're good. So everybody see, I've got cash in this cash and sweep vehicles of 3,100. Now my option buying power is 1,200. And you're right, Victor. I mean, to me, I should not have a margin call at all. It's just strange. And I'm just thinking it's a Charles Schwab type thing. You want to see my positions?
But even you selling, buying back these should not affect your cash really. Like, there's very little. I mean, you were using margin, you were not using cash. You're not like. I'm a little bit confused as to what's going on in there.
Yeah, I'm a little bit confused too, to be honest with you. Cash and sweep vehicle 1363, futures and cash balance 13,300. Yeah. So we're back in good graces with Charles Schwab. But yeah, y'all just kind of keep an eye on your accounts and see what it is. I mean, if I continue to keep getting this though, I mean, I will leave them in a New York minute. I will head on over to Tasty, even though I can't do treasury bills over there as easily as I can over here. But I just don't like this. I don't like what they're doing with our margin. Really don't. Okay, guys, great session. We'll just keep monitoring, and margin calls are now looks like part of the norm that we're going to get with our friends at Charles Schwab. So y'all have a good rest of your day. I will see y'all tomorrow.